Hey everyone, here's a must-see tutorial on laser scanner room measurement for beginners. Today we start with the simplest elevation scan. No extra steps, just watch and start. Step 1. Connect the scanner to the app. Once connected, you're set. Place it on a flat surface. Keep it still for 5-10 seconds to initialize. Don't rush this step. Proper initialization ensures accurate scans later. After initialization, pick it up and get ready to scan. Key point: hold the scanner directly in front of your body. Don't hold it sideways or raise it high, that reduces errors. While scanning, keep walking speed under 1n/s.at corners. Check the data is complete to avoid missing spots. After scanning, place the device back at the start point. This closes the loop, keeping data error-free. Then end the scan, scanning complete. Now post-process with the software. Get the point cloud as loss or PCD files. Then get the RCS file and import into CAD. Insert the scanned elevation point cloud, select the target area, and extract the plane. Then trace the point cloud outline to quickly draw the elevation. 3 key points. Still for 5-10s to initialize, hold in front of your body. Walk under 1 meter per second. No manual measuring, just follow the cloud, accurate and fast. Beginners can draw professional elevations easily. Next time, I'll teach you floor plan scanning. Remember to follow and see you next time.